Hello guys, today we will be playing Chainsaw Man Testing Place with a special guest, my friend. Don't tell them anything about you. That would be really harmful. They could kidnap you or something. So don't tell them anything about you or your family, okay?
Oh, but what about my name?
No, totally not. Okay?
Okay, so can I make up a name?
Yeah.
And my name is External Threat to Bad Guys. No, I'm just joking.
Your name is Balls Breaker because you kick people's balls.
No. Well,
your name is Balls Breaker.
No. No, well. Anyway, my name is Exterminator.
And my name is Balls Breaker. My name is Balls Breaker.
Just play.
Just kidding. My name is Black Hole Knight. Okay, let's do it. So, these are too generic. Gun.
Okay, so that was...
I have a gun on my head. I'm wearing a gun. Why am I wearing a gun?
What,
My arm is a gun.
Yeah.
I am a gun. Blitz shot. No, I did not mean that. I am so sorry.
Oh,
Grab the cap.
Oh.
Blitz shot.
Wait, what's
Reload.
H word?
Oh my gosh. Blitz shot.
Yeah.
Ground impact. Never mind. Reload. Ground impact. Blitz shot. Blitz shot. Reload. Head cannon. Shoot. Blitz shot. Grounded. Can you stop breathing in my mouth? It's fine. Blitz shot. Bullet shot.
She's dead.
Okay.
Did you just eat her?
No. Blue.
What?
No.
Ow! Who did that?
Actually, you know what? That's
Huh? Oh yeah, he's pretty strong.
not as strong.
Not as you.
Yeah. Not as strong. Oh wait, no. I'm not gonna attack that guy. Get shaved. That's a no. So, would you like to say something to the viewers, Mr. Exterminator?
Well, I just want to say that it's okay. You might want to give up, but really, you just have to keep on trying and never give up.
Balls breaker.
Gun? Gun? The cat with a gun on its head.
I already did that one. Knife.
Knife grenade.
Wow, knife generate. Throw cut. Throw knife. Get him, Dad.
What? Snake cut. Oh. Just like
Throw knife.
snake star.
Go.
Ow.
Knife generate. Cutting damage. Slash. Generate knives. Flush cut. Throw knife. Not. Cutting Did I seriously just die from a box? Yes, I did. Bomb.
Where's your bomb?
Yeah, what? Listen to this. Boom. Yeah, see that? I'm a bomb now.
Yeah, that's why you never stayed still. Oh, who is that?
Okay, yeah, no.
Wow. Who is this? Yeah. You looked at the
Oh my-
bugs?
I'm losing to a bug. Never mind, the bug's losing to me. Is it that?
Come on, potatoes, get out of there!
It's Nona. Okay, can you like everything on me? I just killed that bug.
Wait, so are you going to eat it?
Yeah, because it's a bug and it's nutritious.
Oh yeah, and he also has lots of meat.
No, it doesn't. Bugs don't have meat. They're just nutritious. Oh, you want to fight? You want to fight, huh? You want to fight? You want to fight? Take that. Take that for a fight.
Okay, yeah, there's no
Spark detonation.
Wait up. He's that same guy you fought when you were shark.
Yeah, but I'm stronger now. Spark detonation.
Oh, wow.
Explosion level. Ow. Actually, you know what? No. Why does every single game that's a fighting game have to be like reset cooldowns? You can't reset. but it's like that's just stupid. Why make it like that? You know? Okay, yeah.
Wait, Will, can I play now?
First, let me try sniper. Oh, bro has a scope for an eye. Okay, now you can play.
Okay, so
But just pick a good one, like for example, lengths or death or war. You can pick one from any category.
oh, accident. What's accident? About.
Oh, accident is a really good one too.
Okay, I'm gonna try it.
Yeah.
Truck. Uh-oh, it's whip. Train. Missed.
Motorcycle.
Motorcycle.
Ran him over with a motorcycle.
Hilarious. Hey, stay away, bro. I'm warning you. Before I make more accidents happen.
Yeah.
Ow.
Well, that's not good.
Ah. Oh.
Pretty hard. If you don't want to die, you can give it to me, and I can help you.
No, I want to try something else. I'm going to roll for again.
Oh yeah. You just. I knew that you had to give it to me at one point. But he literally just threw you into the ground. Wait. Okay. No.
Okay, but you played longer than me, so I'll have a few more turns, okay? Down there? How about I do war? Okay, Gauntlet, where are the Gauntlet? Weaponize! Parry! Wait, where'd he go?
I don't know.
Throw weapon! Throw cut. Oh! That parry!
Oh, now you are second. Now, oh, no, you can only go from your primary to secondary.
Throw cut.
Parry. Dude.
Fight. Gauntlet. Throw weapon.
One. This guy's not giving you shit. Help you.
Okay.
So that you don't get thrown into the ground again.
Okay, here, just
do it.
I chose the bad one.
No, you didn't. Oh no.
I scared him away. Yay. Never mind, you didn't scare him away.
Oh, I just carried him.
Oh wow, you just okay, yeah, maybe first person isn't the best thing to do.
No, it's the best thing to do. Oh! It's the best thing to do.
Wow, these people are taking a wow, I just jinxed us.
How'd you jink us?
Jinxed us?
Yeah, how'd you
I said neither of you you're having going down that path and you know.
Wow, this is like an anime fight if you put it in without first person.
See first person like in real life.
Yeah, for some reason.
Yeah, you even was like third person. Then like yeah, things would be easier to see like behind you.
Flash grenade.
What's flash grenade? I think you have cash. $1? Apple sauce. Wait, katana? That's a katana for a fake. Oh, what? Dang! Katana went through his face. I hope that didn't left a trace.
What?
Dang, katana went through his face, but he was transformed.
So don't assume. Remember that word ASSU and
Oh,
E?
yeah. Still kind of confused though.
And you know what? Let's just end the video here. Anyways, bye, guys. Hey, Exterminator, want to tell anything to the viewers while I try not to get decimated by this guy?
Sure. So like I said further back in the video. If you get mad in the game and feel like you want to give up, don't. Then how? You want to know why?
Why?
Because if you give up that easily in a silly game, then imagine how easily you'll give up on your dreams if you don't make it.
I knew you were going to say that.
It doesn't matter if you lose or win. I mean, it doesn't matter if you lose, and it's okay to lose. But the only thing that matters about losing is that you learn from your mistakes, you keep on going, and never stop trying. Peace.
Okay, bye, guys.